Frequently asked questions. What is checklist vol? 9. Inside, you get access to 18 checklists revolving around the topic of outsourcing. Volume 18 contains all the information you need to get things started. Plus, you get an exclusive training and bonus reports as well. Why should you get the checklist? This is the next best thing to having me show you how to get the best results online. These checklists come from over 10 years of online business experience, and you can get your hands on them today at a big discount. Who should get this? Anyone looking to save time, stay focused, and get better results needs this. How much is this? Although these are easily worth $197 or more, you won't invest anywhere near that today. What will this do for me? This is a massive shortcut to success that makes it easy for anyone to copy what I'm doing in my 7-figure online business. What if I don't like what I see? You are protected by our money-back deal. You get 14 days to make sure these are for you. If you're not satisfied for any reason, just let me know, and I'll get you a prompt refund. You get these 18 checklists you can easily follow to build a solid foundation on your online business or sell as your own product because of the PLR license needs assessment checklist. First, you need to check what kind of outsourcing you need for your business. In this checklist, you'll learn the things you need and things you don't to start your business. Hiring outsources. A checklist on how and where to hire the right person for your business. It also includes tips so that you can boost up your learning fast. Finding the right person. Choose the right person that holds the same values as your company and create a synergized team that work independently to function as a whole. Outsourcing on freelancer. This checklist will guide you everything you need from hiring a freelancer to leaving an honest review. Outsourcing on Upwork. A step-by-step guide to guide you throughout the whole process of hiring from Upwork. Outsourcing on onlinejobs.php. A guide to the home for Filipino freelancers. Filipinos are the ideal virtual employees because of their proficient English and basic cultural traits. Staff time control. Outsource your timekeeping from Time Doctor so you won't have to deal with tracking the time of your team at a fairly reasonable price. Also check the different features like chat monitoring, reports, payroll, and more. Paying your staff. Efficiently pay your team simultaneously to avoid any hassle and to give your team rewards and benefits so that they keep doing great with their specific jobs. Managing access and passwords. Guide to having your own password database for security purposes and easy access anywhere, anytime without the risk of being hacked. Team manager tasks. Keep your team motivated and continue a cohesive team effort with the help of this checklist so you can optimize productivity to the max level. Team training. Training is both beneficial to your team member and also to your business. Improving the skills, knowledge, and attitudes of your team members will help you reach that dream sooner than you'll realize. Contracts and NDAs. We'll help you create a contract and NDA that promotes a win-win situation for you and your hired team members so that you maintain a healthy working relationship with them. Providing instructions. Give out simple and yet specific instructions and tasks to your team so you can minimize misunderstanding and maximize productivity. Negotiations. Guide on how to negotiate the salary of the people you want to hire and find a common ground to meet halfway without compromising either side. Testing a potential outsourcer. How to outsource your support. How to outsource a software. Tasks I can complete. 14-day, no questions asked. Money-back guarantee. Although the low pricing makes this a total no-brainer, to make this easy for anyone to get now, I'm also going to give you the next 14 days to test it out. If you think in any way that these top-notch checklists are not for you, just send me an email within the refund period and we'll give your tiny investment back.